Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're about to show off the Philips Sonicare. This is the 5100. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with this fantastic product. So a big selling point to the 5100 is that it removes 5 times the plaque of just brushing alone. Now the real nice aspect of this is the timer. It will vibrate with a little boop every 30 seconds, and that allows you to pick quadrants of your mouth to get your full 2-minute brush in. You should always start at the top of your mouth to allow excess toothpaste to go down to the bottom of the mouth so you can get that later. Go ahead, start on the top outside, and you're not going to be actually scrubbing your teeth like with a standard toothbrush. You're just gonna hold the brush in place over your teeth, hitting each individual tooth. Time that for about 30 seconds and then work the inside and work your way back. Then, same thing on the bottom, outside, 30 seconds, inside 30 seconds, and then a quick brush of the tongue. Now the positives to the 5100, it does come with the carrying case, and the carrying case is going to make it easier for travel. It also has a long life battery that's, again, going to make it easy to travel. You don't have to keep that charger with you all the time. The battery is going to give you more than enough juice for most vacations. Using it a couple times a day, it's going to last more than a couple weeks. So, Philips Sonicare, #1 recommended by me and by dentists worldwide, so go ahead and pick yours up. The black and white is nice. I like that they keep the standard brush tip, that white brush tip that pretty much is compatible with all your Sonicare toothbrushes. So if you're upgrading or switching around, you never have to worry about disposing of your actual brush heads. That's a nice advantage to me. But yeah, folks, overall, Sonicare, #1 recommended, high quality. This has various intensities, the timer setting, and it's gonna give you the cleanest teeth around. So go ahead and you're gonna love it. Thanks again for watching. Adios, amigos.